Hey everyone, I'm Amanda Massey and welcome to my YouTube channel, Massey Styles. If you've been watching, this month has been all about spring, summer trends. So on today's segment, I'm going to highlight my favorite women's wear trends for spring, summer, and then continuing on the trend thought, I want to talk about the different types of nail art that I saw on the runway. Something I haven't talked about before, nail art. It's a pretty big deal. But first and foremost, as we always do with each episode, let's talk about my outfit of the day. I really love this outfit. Last year, I took a girls' trip to Barcelona and London, and I purchased this outfit at H. Lorenzo in London, and the designer's name is Paulina Russo. The shoes that I'm wearing are embossed snake suede by Dior, and then that's it. The one thing I want to note about this outfit is do not wear this type of knit when you have jewelry that can catch and snag. Depressing. A little side note, fun story. I was at dinner with my girlfriend and I have the Alexander McQueen clutch with the brass knuckles, which I want in every single color. It's a goal of mine. And the jewels on the brass knuckles caught the back of my skirt. And there were so many snags that came from it. I'm not gonna lie to you, the entire dinner I didn't really know what she was saying because I was so upset. It was the first time that I wore this outfit. The first time I bought it in London. It's my favorite. Like, this print is so cool. It has a woman's face on it. And then there's flowers here. I mean, it's just the coolest outfit I've ever bought. And the first time I wear it, I ruin it. Thankfully, I can fix the snags because I have the best tailor in town. But not gonna lie, I don't know what that dinner was about because I was just drinking wine and getting really upset at myself. Anyways, fun fact, do not wear big jewelry that can snag when you wear a knit like this. All right, let's refocus. Let's talk about trends for women's wear for spring, summer 2025. Fashion Month came and went with a stern message. It's time to have fun. After years of designers insisting on practical and utilitarian designs, clearly we're out of that phase and the designer gods have spoken. It's time to get out, it's time to dress up, it's time to have a good time. And the accessories definitely echoed that. I spotted 7 major accessory trends on the runways. I'm going to share with you my top 3, but if you're interested in the full list, just simply comment below or send me a DM at StyleMeMassey, and I'm happy to send that list along your way. But let's get right into it with the first trend. The first accessory trend are large emotional bags. That's what I'm defining them because they're huge. Do you know the saying, life's tough, get a helmet? Well, we're gonna switch that up a little bit. Designers are now saying, get a comfy bag. That was the memo from brands like Coach, Stella McCartney, and Jill Sander, which proposed that bags should have 2 things, enormous and comfortable. Coach, for example, had coin purses in the shape of a giant teddy bear with models carrying them as if they were the equivalent of a plush toy. While at Stella McCartney, models carried sizable folded clutch bags that could pretty much double as to-go pillows. The second trend I'm calling inside out. They say that what's most important is on the inside, and I feel like designers are now vocalizing that through their accessories such as shoes and handbags. Brands like Victoria Beckham, Rabanne, and Tibi featured transparent accessories whose sole purpose was to make visible what's on the inside. At Rabanne, a plastic bag revealed an embellished silver and gold bag inside. While at Tibi, models wore clear rain boots that change colors depending on the socks that they wore. Victoria Beckham went for a different approach though, dressing models in a crystal clear footwear style shoe. The shoes at Victoria Beckham kind of reminded me of the Cinderella slipper. What do you think? The last trend I'm calling all tied up. So buckles are totally last year. This year, shoes are all about the laces. As seen on the runways of Chanel, Chloe, and Ganni, there are many ways that this trend can very much look alike. At Chanel, models walked out in impossibly chic, cap-toed platform lace-up boots, while Chloe showed crisscross lace-up flats. So here's one thing that I want to know. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know by commenting below. Don't be shy. And again, send me a DM or comment below again if you want the full list of the 7 trends for women's accessories. Let's keep the trend conversation going and chat about nail art. The first nail art trend is metallic nails. I saw them all over the runways, and it's a clear indication that the Hailey Bieber glazed donut trend is out the door. Metallic nails, however, are a little bit more moody with a sense of mystery. At Theo Pilo manicurist Miss Pop, she did a base coat of black and then a silver metallic top coat. So kind of a different way to put a spin on metallic by bringing down the harshness of the color with a black base coat. Other shows like Lunar and Libertine, they did a more traditional metallic vibe with gold and rose gold tones. I personally love metallic nails. They do kind of chip off quite often, but they're totally worth it for a special event. Black nails I saw were very prominent on the runway. I've been basically painting my nails black because I just don't know what color to choose all of last year, so maybe I'm just ahead of the curve, but now I just feel like my opinion was very much validated because now they're very popular for 2025. But don't think that just putting black nail polish means it's going to be boring, because it's not. You can put glitter, you can have a coffin-shaped nail and then paint it black and then do like a piercing through it. Or you can also do a stiletto black nail and then hang little diamonds off the tips of your nails. The black nail polish I predominantly saw were on the runways of Susan Alexandra and Christian Cohen. The last nail art trend are bedazzled jewels. This is about fun, it's about pop, it's about color, it's just about being an extravagant, amazing human being. Love Shack Fancy really led the pack for this trend by doing a French manicure with bedazzled elements added to your nail. For other designers, I saw a lot of piercings on the nail, which is a different way to do an embellishment is through a piercing. So those are the 3 major nail art trends that I spotted: metallic, black, and bejeweled. Tell me which one is your favorite, and also tell me how you feel about the accessory trends that I shared. And again, don't forget, I'm happy to share the full list of 7. Just comment below or send me a DM at StyleMeMassy. Thank you as always for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.